Today I have a tutorial to illustrate the concept of justification using Adobe InDesign to illustrate. So I have two columns of type set up in a document. I'm going to add another page. I'm going to add a spread. Just to illustrate some of these settings a little bit better. So my 4 columns of type are separated by a 1/2 inch gutter, which is the space in between the columns. So, assuming kind of a book format, this setting is left. That's the default setting in InDesign, and it's used for most every kind of type layout: newsletters, letters, etc., basic correspondence. But if I alter this, I have my paragraph style set up as a body paragraph style. But if I select a different alignment, you can see how my left justification, if I just switch to center, which could be used for display copy, etc., how it just the same wrap settings are applied, but everything is centered within the column space. Right? Same thing. Left justify will force the width of each paragraph to the column space, and these wrap settings are controlled by the hyphenation settings. So if I hyphenate these words, you'll get a tighter wrap actually. So you can hyphenate words that are a minimum of 10 letters, and that'll affect the wrap. But the default settings are usually good for most applications. Then I'll go back here. So that's my left justify. Center justify is the same as left, only it centers the words that remain. So right justify, same. Full justify will force all paragraphs into that column spacing. You can, for example, if I change this to 10, you can see how it has a looser wrap. If I change it to 3, it's tighter. So that's full justify. Now this is where toward spine, away from spine will make a difference in this format. So if I say toward spine, you can see how all the paragraphs are left justified toward the center of the book. And away from spine, all the paragraphs are away from the center of the book. So go back to this. I'll go back to full justification, and I'm just going to apply that for now. This is popular for more formal newsletters, legal documents, etc., because it just has such a clean look. Medical documents, etc. Any kind of legal document you receive, you probably have this full justification setting applied. So I hope this tutorial is helpful to give you a brief overview of what justification means and how the basic principles of how it's applied. Please like if you learned something. Thank you for watching.